Welcome everyone. I'm here with Chris from Quercus. Chris, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Minaj. How are you today?
Fantastic. Thank you for joining us today. Could you please briefly introduce yourself and Quercus?
Yeah, of course. My name is Chris Agrell, and I'm the North American Business Development Manager with Quercus Technologies, and I'm calling in today from my home office in Atlanta, Georgia. For those of you who might not be familiar with who Quercus is and what we do, Quercus has had a presence in the parking industry for more than 20 years, where we've provided customers from all over the globe with detection and mobility solutions that are designed to offer greater operational control for owners and operators, but that also enhance the parking experience for end users.
So I thought we would take a step back and look at parking guidance solution as a whole first. Could you tell me a bit more as to how that works overall within parking facilities?
Yeah, sure. So what we offer is a camera-based parking guidance system. And a parking guidance system can do a whole bunch of different things, but its three main functions include detecting the presence of a car in every space inside of a facility, capturing license plate information for every car in every space, and providing site-wide security and surveillance capabilities for all parking assets.
And so what are the key benefits then that a parking operator would have when implementing these solutions?
Yeah, so it's really a two-sided question. The first benefit is for drivers, right? These functions are aimed at reducing frustration on behalf of drivers in order to help find available parking quickly and efficiently. And on the other side of the coin, for owners and operators, it allows them to achieve operational efficiency and maximize or increase their revenue.
And as for Quercus's products, more specifically there, could you maybe go further into detail on your portfolio there?
Sure. So what Quercus really offers is a global parking solution. We offer license plate recognition cameras for entry and exit, right? So these units are responsible for recording all of the activities that happen at the payment process or as drivers enter the parking facility. Beyond that, we have our spot control indoor parking guidance camera. This unit is an all-in-one unit that helps drivers find available parking through the use of bright LED lights. A green light indicates an available parking space, whereas a red light indicates a space that has been taken. And beyond that, we also have LED signage, where real-time parking availability can be displayed to drivers on LED signage that gets installed inside the parking facilities. In order to help drivers find their car as they exit the facility, we have a Find Your Car feature, which allows them to enter their license plate number into an LCD touchscreen kiosk, and then they'll be provided with the exact location of their car inside the facility, which helps them exit the garage in a timely and efficient manner.
And so, is there any specific projects that you like to go into that provide the information on the advantages of these products?
Yeah, actually, as we're having this discussion, a project that we are in the process of completing is right here in Atlanta, Georgia, at the new Norfolk Southern Railways corporate campus. This project is a really exciting one for us. It sits on a 3.5-acre piece of property here in an area called Tech Square in Atlanta, Georgia. It includes 750,000 square feet of office space. And the new garage that's been built on the corporate campus consists of 2,000 parking spaces on 10 different levels. So in order to help improve mobility in the facility, we've deployed 740 of our spot control indoor parking guidance sensors, as well as 80 LED displays, which will display the parking availability to drivers as they navigate the garage.
Have you already received any feedback on the benefits that they've been seeing within this facility?
Not yet, because it's new construction and it's set to be completed at the end of this month. So we don't actually have any users in there just yet. The building is still technically under construction.
I see. So when it comes to then projects like this, what are the kind of the benefits that the drivers would be having when using these products?
Sure. For us, it's all about improving the customer experience. And we do that by providing constant engagement with the driver from the very beginning of their journey through to the very end. And really what that means is being able to pull up an application on your smartphone, being able to find available parking, knowing in advance exactly where there's available parking inside of a parking garage. When the driver gets to the parking garage, they're greeted with LED signage that again reinforces where there's available parking. As they enter the facility, they see the bright LED lights on the spot control indoor sensors, which help guide them to available parking. And then as they exit the facility, they're welcome to use the Find Your Car feature, which helps them locate their car upon exit.
All right, so Chris, looking ahead to the future then, are there any product launches in sight, any new developments for Quercus?
Yeah, so, something that's really exciting for us that we just demoed at the NPA conference in Las Vegas is our new spot control outdoor solution. So this solution is designed for surface lots and rooftops, and it does a lot of the same things. It helps detect the presence of a car for every single parking space in a surface lot and a rooftop, and then it also acts as a site-wide security and surveillance feature. In a really flexible environment, we can use one camera to monitor up to 100 parking spaces simultaneously. And same thing applies. We can relay the real-time availability of parking spaces to LED signage to help drivers find available parking spaces.
Fantastic, Chris. Well, thank you for joining me today. It was great to learn more.
Yep, thanks so much for the time, Minaj. And we're going to be demoing all of our products at the IPMI conference next month in Tampa Bay. So feel free to stop by for an in-depth demo.
Fantastic. Thank you everyone for joining today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.